gotta get that recycle bin out there. The giant one.
I'm not worried about it right now, I know.
I just heard stuff fall out of it.
Christmas time. I wish we had a radio to make those Christmas songs that we have.
What you doing? Well, we do have a radio.
What's Thanksgiving Christmas time?
I'm ready for it. I'm waiting.
The big Christmas show!
All right, ready, go.
Who's going to sing? Dylan, you going to be on stage too? No.
I just need to know what Dylan's next song is.
I only know the 10 Little Snowflakes. I can't remember the name of the other one.
Uh-oh.
Was that teasing?